I'm going to show you how to create your own OTT video on demand TV channel using NOWCAST drag and drop system in 4 simple steps. The first step you want to do is when you first log into your dashboard, simply just click Media Assets and click Create Folder. Name it TV/VOD folder. Click Create. After I create my video on demand folder, I'm going to click Save and go to Apps and click on TV app. From here, I'm going to add that video on demand folder that I just created. So I'm going to click VOD, click Select Content, and I'm going to select that video on demand folder that I just selected. Click Apply, and now I've applied that here. From there, just scroll to the bottom and click Save. Step number 2, I'm going to create my own video series. And to do that, I'm going to go back to Media Assets. I'm going to click on Videos. And this time, I'm going to click Add Video Series. From here, I can name it whatever video series name that I want to name it. Click Create. And from there, I will just simply click Save. Don't hit the Publish button yet because we're not ready for this to go live. Just simply click Save. That is step 2. Step 3, I'm going to simply upload 5 videos to my video series that I just created. Click Add Item, and from here you can click Add Video, and then you can name your video, then click Add, and from here you want to simply double click. Now this brings you to the video description page. You want to make sure that every video you create has a title, has a subtitle, and a description. You use ChatGPT or some AI to create a description of your video if you don't already have one. But you want to have a 1 to 2, 3 sentence paragraph so your description will look pretty full on television. For instance, again, there's your title, your subtitle, and then you want to have a full description. You don't want one sentence or one word because that leaves a lot of open space. So you want it to look as professional as possible. So give a 1 to 2 sentence of your description so it will look like this on your television channel. The next thing you want to do is just simply add your video. You can simply click here or drag a video over. We're just going to drag the video over and drop it in, and we'll let that upload. Now that your video has been uploaded, you want to give it some time for it to finish encoding. It has been uploaded, but it's not encoded. If you try to publish it when it's not encoded, it will tell you that it will publish after it's finished processing. So it depends on how big your video is, will determine how long it takes for it to process. Once you're done with that, you want to scroll down to the bottom, and you want to decide if you want to add thumbnail. The thumbnail is what people will see when they click on that particular video. So remember, every video needs to have a title, subtitle, a description, and a thumbnail. So again, it's real simple to do this. You want to use the same image for all 3 appearances here. The poster box image here is for your actual image that will show up on your television. So this is the main one you want to focus on for TV purposes. But I would suggest that you use all 3 images because they show up in different places for those who decide to go on and get a mobile app. If you have a mobile app with us, you want to make sure you're using these separate images. So in order to do that, we're simply going to click on the first box, the simple box, and we're going to click Upload. You can either click the upload button here or drag a image over. So I'm just going to drag an image over, drop it in there, and as you can see, it tells you where it already pre-cuts it for you. Just got to drag it, center it off how you want it to look. You can resize it as well, but I'm just going to simply put the image in the center. I'm going to drop it a little bit. You can use this for your own view, and however you like to see your image. Just click the upload button, and it starts to upload. Now that it's uploaded, we're simply going to click Apply, and there it is. And we're going to repeat this process for the remaining 2 images. Now that we have all 3 appearance images or thumbnails added, again, these images will be what people will see on your television channel. So you want to make sure that, again, every video you upload has a title, subtitle, description, and a thumbnail. Next thing we want to do is come to the pricing, and you want to decide, is it free for everyone, or is it free but it requires your users or your viewers to give you their email address, phone number, and their first and last name. That's just a good way to build up data. Or does it require a subscription, a paid subscription, meaning they have to pay you like $6.99 per month, or $10 or $20 or $50, whatever you set the price at. This is what they will pay to gain access to your video. Or is it a one-time purchase like a pay-per-view? You can set it at $19.99, and they will pay one time and they'll gain access to this video. We're gonna set it to free and just click save. Now that the video is done, we're just gonna click publish, and there we go. The video is published. We're gonna click the back button, and we are good and ready to go. You want to repeat this process 4 more times so you can create your next 3 videos, adding them to the video series. But now that I have all 5 of my videos, I want to add all 5 of these videos inside the one video series that we created. I'm just going to click the view all button here, click all, and then click change video series. Drop down, there's the one video series we've already created, and then simply click change. Now that I've added all 5 of the videos inside the one video series, now that I need to add this video series inside of the TV folder that we've already created, and that's real simple to do. Scroll up to the top, click on video series, and there's the video series that we just created. Scroll over here to the 3 dots on the right, click add to folder, and there's the one TV VOD folder we created previously. Click apply, and there you have it. You've now added your video series inside of the video on demand folder that is connected or associated with your OTT TV channel. The video TV channel, we're simply going to click apps, click TV here, click preview, and there you have it. You now see all of your channels, real simple. And that's exactly how you're quickly, easy, able to click and create your TV OTT channel. Now, one final step we want to do is we want to change out the NOWCAST logo here. So it's say your logo. So if you have a PNG transparent logo, you want to make sure that that goes here. And to do that, simply as this, go back to your dashboard, click on the settings page, scroll down to the identity management, and from here where it says corporate and website, a TV website logo, this is where you want to change out your actual logo. You want to click this arrow here, and this is where you will upload your transparent logo. And we'll just use a transparent logo that we already got on file here. Drop it there. As you can see, it's in place. One thing I will strongly suggest that make sure that you drag the cropper here as close to the edge as possible. Okay, you don't want too much space there, or it will be off-centered when you bring it into your TV channel. So bring it to the as closest to the edge there. Click upload and double click. Click apply and click save. And we'll go back to your TV channel, and we're just going to click the refresh button. And there you have it. That would be your transparent logo, your organization's transparent logo. And that's how you're able to easily create your own OTT TV channel with NOWCAST in those simple steps in getting this completed.